Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix SrtTrail.txt error on your Windows machine. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. First of all, you're going to search for an option that says reset this PC. Once you find it right here in the first option in the settings, click on it. And then from here, you're going to click on Advanced Startup and then click on the button that says Restart Now. Once you click on that, the device is going to restart and then show you this window. Now, from this window, all you have to do is then from here, click on Troubleshoot. Then from the Troubleshoot window, you're going to click on Advanced. And then from here, after that, you're going to click on the Command Prompt window. Once you are in the command window, you're going to enter these codes. First, you're going to enter this code right here, bootrick_fixember. Then from here, you're going to click on the second button. And then the third one right here, bootrick_fixboot. Then bootrick rebuild. Then this one, chkdsk C, and then /f/r. And then finally, sfc/scan now. And once everything is settled and done, then you're going to just load it. And then finally, you're going to click on exit. And once you restart your computer, then that should solve the problem. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.